Hi guys, welcome back to the Nitro Learning Python course. So, now that we've been introduced to lists, let's do some indexing and slicing. So indexing lists is the same way as strings, however you can use elements in the list instead of characters in a string, and it can also be reversed. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out our indexing and slicing strings video for more info on that. I highly recommend it if you don't know about it, because it tells you all about indexing, slicing, and everything else. This, we're just going over how you do it for lists. Slicing lists. So again, it's the same strings. It can be reversed at times if you use a reverse index position, but there's not really reverse slicing. Okay, now let's code. So I'm here in a Jupyter notebook. Let's just do my list equals symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to already do it in the same cell. We're going to say my list and put index position 0. So it'll print out 1 because 0 is the first character. So 1 right here. So now let's do my list 5. What will this return? Pause the video, try to figure it out. It will bring an error because the 5th one will correspond to the 6th character, but we only have 5 characters. Let's make it my list of 4. That brings out the 5th one. I don't like this. I'm going to delete it. Okay, so let's now do some reverse indexing. My list, -1. That brings out 5 because -1 is the last character, and we go down from there. My list, -4. Well, pause the video, try to figure this out. It will bring out 2 because that is the second to last character in reverse, or the second character, because you're going backwards. So it will be -1 has 5, -2 has 4, -3 has 3, -4 has 2. Okay, so now let's do my list slicing. So let's start at just 0, go to 4, and that's it. That'll bring out 1, 2, 3, 4. If you wanted to print out the whole thing, we could just do my list. And if you wanted it backwards, you could do my list. And it would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if we want to actually do a step in here, go from 0 to 3 with a step of 2. 1, 3, because 3 corresponds to the 4th character, but since it doesn't actually go up to this character, it just goes to the one right before it. It would skip that one. It would skip it would not go to the 4th character. Maybe it would go 1, 2, 3 if you didn't have the step of 2, but since you have the step of 2, you skip that character. Skip the second character and go straight 1 to 3. Okay, well, that's all there is to it. I hope you learned something, and as always, this was Nitro Learn.